Today I'm going to show off my dual monitor display running puppylinux. So as the photo shows, I have a different size monitor and also with a different brand, but I have managed to get both running at the same resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. So when you look at my workspaces, I always work with six workspaces, and right now it's on workspace number 5. But when you look at the each workspace is fairly wide, so it represents both displays. So right now I have a Genie editor opened in the left half of the right monitor. So here is the right side, right monitor, and here's the left monitor, and left side of the Genie on the right monitor is clearly displayed. Today I'm not going to share with you how I set it up because it'll be too long of a video. So I'm just going to show off pretty much. What I can do is I can go ahead and activate my bash file script with a super I, and it'll start several applications on each monitor or each workspaces. So right now it's opening on the right side a web browser, Firefox. But usually I like to run Firefox browser on a larger monitor, which is on my left. So I can go ahead and Control-Shift-M will go ahead and let me move the window. So we'll just go ahead and move it to the left side, and then enter, and then super up arrow maximizes it on my monitor. And so here is the Firefox, and then I can certainly go to the next tab by Control Tab and go back and forth, and then I can go ahead and click on Puppy Forum and then get into the Puppy Forum, for example, and I can quickly go to the next open occupied workspaces by Shift Control right arrow, and then here are 3 rocks filers that are open, so in different folders, so I can go ahead and go back and forth with Alt tab, and it alternates different folder of rocks filer. If I want to move this rocks filer to the right, I can go ahead and do the move again with the Shift Control M on my keyboard, but another way I can move it quickly is Alt key and then left mouse and then just drag it over, and you can see that it's actually moved to the workspace 3 rather than original workspace 2. So I can just go ahead and do it again, Alt, left mouse, and then just move it back. And the next occupied workspace, I can go quickly to a Shift Control right arrow again, and then here is the Genie again. I just saved it, and then I can just bring it back with the super E key, and here is the and then I can go ahead and maximize, super up arrow, and then I can put it on the right side of the right monitor, super and right arrow. There is a application launcher that seems to only follow the wherever the arrow, but generally speaking, whatever application that opens does not follow the arrows. So we'll put the arrow on the mouse cursor on the left, and then control spacebar launches a synapse, and then you can see that it opens on the left monitor. And then we'll just put this over here now, and then control spacebar again. Now it opens on the left, and then I can just go ahead and open whatever the program that I want. So sometimes it's unpredictable exactly which monitor, left or right, will application will open, but seems to remember, generally speaking, after reboot as to which side of the monitor, two monitors that it usually opens. So this is just a quick demonstration of my dual monitor setup experience, and although it takes somewhat getting used to that, it's much more productive, I feel, once you get used to having it run.